Hello my friend, it's really nice to see you. Here is Captain McHaddock, your friend, and this time I will show you how to use this robot vacuum cleaner and how to use the mop also, and how to service this vacuum cleaner. And really we can see here is the plastic dust bag, and when we open we can see here's already dust, and there's also, and here is this filter. And now I show you first how to mop with this, because if you just clean, and if you use this as a vacuum cleaner, then you just push this button and then it really takes all the dust away. But when we use this mop, this is really interesting, that it is possible to use as a mop also. So then we put this here like this mop we put here. It's really easy to put it, because we just put it like this here, like this. It's really easy like this. Alright, and then just push here like this, and now it's there. And what we do then we just push it easily here. Now the mop is here, and then when we turn this around, we just need to change this plastic bag. We put this kind of plastic dust bag here, and here is hole for the water. And when we put here some water, then here are little holes. There we can see there comes little water, and that when there is that water comes to this mop, and then this mop will really take all the dust away. First the dust, this vacuum cleaner vacuums the dust, and then the mop will also give some little water here, and then clean this floor really nice. So that is this mopping system, and that's how to mop. Here is this water tank, and also this filter here. Everything's really nice. And how to service. When we service and we want to clean this, then what we need to do is that we need to have first another vacuum cleaner. I take it from here, and when we clean this we need to take some power first, and when we clean this vacuum cleaner, we take this, and then also this filter, we clean this also like this. Now it's good, and like this we put it this, and also this filter, and then we put this here. Alright. And then what we do, we can take this part away like this, and from here we can clean this vacuum cleaner also. We take these, there is some hair we take that away, and then we just put here. And can you see, my friend, this is really easy to clean this vacuum robot, because it has this kind of parts here, and as you can see, this robot vacuum cleaner, this is really a man's best friend. Of course, dog is man's best friend, and also cat can be man's best friend, but also robot vacuum cleaner can be man's best friend, because this vacuum cleaner takes all the brushes and dust away. And how to use this? Just push this button like this. What happens? Nothing happens. Why? What is wrong with this? I don't know. There should be some power. Nothing happens. Oh, of course, because this mop is, and there is, we take this mop away, and because there was just normal dust back then, that's the reason why nothing happened. But now when I push this button, then something happens, and all these trashes and dust will go away. Wait a second, now you will see. Still nothing happens. Why? This is really interesting. What is there some part not good? Maybe we need to give some power for this. Wait a second. So I'm charging because the power is empty. So we put this here. And now this is charging. As you can see, this is charging. Now if I push this, nothing happens.
Turning on.
Now it's turning on. Okay, this is...
Cleanup all is starting. Vacuuming has been paused. Starting to charge. Cleanup all is starting.
Okay, now it's still. Okay. And now, as we can
Place
see,
the vacuum mop on the floor to start.
okay, my friend. Now, my friend, when I push this button, then it will clean all these dirt away.
Vacuuming is being resumed.
There. Okay. Okay, my friend, and really this was my information this time. It was really nice to see you, and see you on the next video. Goodbye, my friend.